How to upload videos on Pinterest. Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to upload videos on Pinterest. So let's begin right away. The very first step that I would suggest is to update your Pinterest first. So go ahead on your App Store or your Google Play Store and update your Pinterest app. Once you have done that, you just simply open Pinterest. And right here, what we're going to do first is to convert our account into a business account so that we may upload a video. So go to your profile found on the lower right corner of your screen and then click on the three dots found on the upper right corner. Click on settings and go to account management. Once you're in account management, go to convert to a business account. Click on convert account. And then let's say, for example, you should put a name of your business account. Click next. Your website, you may skip this one. And then you may choose the um, whichever category that you want. So I may click on creator, click on next, click on yes or no or not sure, click on done. And then now, as you can see, you may share ideas, grow your audience, and build a profile. So let's try first when we create a pin. So let's just close the app first, then go back to Pinterest, click on the plus button, click on pin, and then right here, you may choose the videos that you have. So that's it. That's how you can upload videos on Pinterest. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.